Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited, stock reference number 5023. This shape runs from the 10th month 2010 through to the 3rd month 2013. It has a 3.6 litre V6 petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. 3.6 litre V6 petrol engine. We have the left-hand headlight. Left guard appears to have no damage. Left power door mirror. Left front 20-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left front door has one small dent, as does the left rear door. Left rear 20-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light. Right rear 20-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door has two dents. Right power door mirror and a right front 20-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. Automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, touchscreen 6-stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and an average 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.